Hey you guys, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you a secret that I have never talked about on my channel before, but I'm using the product. It's been 4 to 5 months. Now you guys know that I have oily, sensitive, acne prone skin. I have super sensitive skin, okay? Now it's been 3 to 4 months that I'm using the product, but I have never talked about that on my channel because I was trying out the product. But now I have made my mind, okay, and I always wanted to talk about the product. Now I have visibly seen changes, okay? You guys can also see that my skin is doing a lot better than before, and the secret is this one. Now this is the highest selling product in USA. Now this is the calcium bentonite clay and the brand is called Aztec secret, and they say that this one is world's most powerful facial. So I was really interested when I saw Coralista using this, so I thought of give this one a shot. Now I'll put a picture right here so that you guys can see the condition of my skin when I started using the product, and now you guys can see this is how my skin looks like. So yeah, today I'm gonna be using it in front of you guys because it's been a week I haven't used it, and you guys can see that my skin is a little bit congested. There is a popping pimple right here. I have few acne scars, and also my skin doesn't feel the best. So today I'm gonna be using it in front of you and I will show you the result after using the product, okay? So let's go. Now this one helps in treating your acne, pimples, pigmentation, spots, or if you have acne scars, or if you have whiteheads or blackheads or dead skin cells. This helps in removing that. This one is anti-aging, and also it makes your skin really soft and smooth, clean and crystal clear, okay? And this one is an unisex product, so everyone can use it. So you are supposed to use it once a week or maybe once in 2 weeks if you have good skin. And this is a very powerful product, okay? You don't have to use it every single day. This is not your everyday product, okay? If you use it once a week, you are sorted. And you are supposed to use this one with their apple cider vinegar. Now you can use it with water as well, but it's gonna work better if you use the apple cider vinegar, and this is also from their brand. Now it's been 3 to 4 months I'm already using it, and you guys can see how much I have used it up. I'm already halfway through, and when the brand contacted me I was like jumping because I so wanted to make a video on this particular product, and they sent me this one in PR. So now I have two, but I'm not gonna open this because I'm already using this. And also I'm gonna tell you that you are not supposed to use it with metals, okay? So you need a glass container like this, you need a spoon. So it's better if you use a glass bowl like this, or you can use the wooden bowls as well. I have this one and I got the spoon from Swiggy, so I'm using it to take the product out. So you need 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and this is how the apple cider vinegar looks like. You need just 1 spoon of it, and then I'm gonna take out some product about this much. You don't have to use a lot, okay? A little bit goes a really long way. So I'm gonna add it with the apple cider vinegar, and this is how your paste should look like. You guys can see I have made a thick paste, and now I'm gonna apply it all over my skin. Now you can totally apply it with your fingers as well, but I prefer using a foundation brush for precise application, and it makes everything very easy, you know. And you guys can see the way I'm applying it. Okay, so this is how it looks like after applying, and I will let it sit on my skin for 10 to 12 minutes. Then I will wash it off with plain water, and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is how my skin looks like after washing the face. Now you guys can see there is a lot of redness going on my skin, and it's completely okay. And if you see that your skin is turning a little red or there is a little bit of warm sensation, this is completely normal, and this is gonna go away within 15 to 30 minutes. So it's completely fine, okay? And the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a little bit of essence. So make sure after washing your face you must use a moisturizer, okay? Do not skip your moisturizer, otherwise otherwise this is gonna make your skin super duper dry. Now I have used an essence. If you don't have an essence or a toner, you can totally use your moisturizer, whatever you use. Just make sure that your skin is not dry. Okay you guys, so I'm back after another 15 minutes, so that when the redness is gone you guys can clearly see how my skin looks like. And my skin looks clean. Okay, it doesn't feel congested anymore, and when I touch it, it feels really nice and soft, and also it feels really clean. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a little bit of hydrating moisturizer, because it just sucks out all of the dirts and pollution and oil from your skin, and your skin might feel a little bit dehydrated. So I'm using a hydrating moisturizer so that it gives the hydration back to my skin. So yeah guys, you can clearly see the difference on my skin. My skin looks so nice, clean and beautiful. I love it. Now this is a really powerful product you guys. It's not magic, so it will take some time, but you will see the difference for sure. I have oily, acne prone, sensitive skin, and I absolutely love it. Highly recommend this product. You need to use it for 1 or 2 months straight to see some visible difference, and it's not for your everyday use. Okay, you have to use it once a week or maybe once in 2 weeks and you are sorted. But now if you are facing a lot of acne, you can do a spot treatment with it. Just make a little bit of paste and just dot it all over your skin wherever you are facing acne, and this is gonna dry down your acne like no one's business. Okay, and if you use it with apple cider vinegar, what it does is it helps in fading your acne scars a little bit, and also this one is antibacterial, so it also prevents your skin from getting further acne. Now this one is a little bit expensive, but you can see the tub, it's huge. Okay, a little bit goes a really long way, and I think this is totally worth your every single penny, and I prefer using it with apple cider vinegar. If you are not interested in apple cider vinegar, so you can totally use it with plain water or rose water as well. And as this is chemical free, it doesn't have any side effects as well, so I highly recommend this one. And this is the reason why this one is world's highest rated skincare product, and I totally agree that this product is really nice. If you have oily, acne prone skin, definitely try this one out. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, or if you find this video helpful. Also let me know in the comment section below if you find this video helpful or not. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.